How to choose a good bathroom cabinet? Here are some tips. 1. Size. Before buying the cabinet, you should reserve the proper space in your bathroom. 2. Style. Considering the general decoration style of your house, it is suggested to choose the wall-hung cabinet which is as far as from the ground to avoid from moisture. 3. Raw material. It is suggested to choose multiple solid wood board, which is waterproof, resistant to mold, deformation, and cracking, so it is the most suitable for the humid environment of the bathroom. 4. Mirror cabinet. It is suggested to choose a smart mirror with a cabinet at the back. There are some smart functions like lighting, dimming, temperature display, and so on. Besides the smart functions, you can hide quite a number of stuffs in the cabinet at the back of the mirror. 5. Accessories. It is suggested to choose the cabinet with multiple lockers, which can be used to self-storage, and the cabinet door closes slowly, so children can use it at ease. 6. Basin. Choose a bathroom cabinet with an integrated undermounted basin. The most advantages is that it is not easy to splash water, and it is more convenient for daily maintenance. If you need to have your hair washed at the bathroom cabinet, it is strongly recommended to choose a pull-out faucet.